Hello, Tech Savvy! Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to use the sort by function in Excel. Are you tired of manually sorting your Excel data again and again? Do you want a dynamic way to sort your lists that updates automatically? Then you're watching the perfect video, because today, we'll unlock the full power of Excel's sort by function. Let's jump right in. Example 1. Open a new Excel sheet and enter a list of names in column A from A2 to A11. Click on any empty cell where you want the sorted list to appear. Type the formula equals sort by A2 colon A11, A2 colon A11 1. Press enter to get the names sorted in ascending order, A to Z. To sort in descending order, change the last argument to -1. Example 2. Enter student names in column A, scores in column B, and age in column C. Click an empty cell to show the sorted result. Type equals sort by A2 colon C11, B2 colon B11, -1, C2 colon C11 1. This sorts by score descending, then by age ascending. Example 3. Enter product names in column A and sales numbers in column B. Click on an empty cell for the result. Use this formula equals sort by A2 colon B11, B2 colon B11, -1. This sorts the table based on sales in descending order, highest first. To sort in ascending order, change -1 to 1. I hope you have learned something new today. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.